Turn the page, live your life every day. Don't let anybody.
Mike Foster here. Today it's an episode of Mike Tries. My wife went to Hawaii without me. No, we're still fine. She took her dad out for his 80th birthday. I stayed home and did some other things. Visited my family too. But she came back with these great things from Hawaii that I'm going to try. And let me show you what they are. Not that, that's a smartphone, but this thing is a fan that attaches to a smartphone. We'll play with that and see how that looks. This is Island Princess chocolate covered macadamia nuts. I will eat one of those. And now this last one, this is something that, you know, I said, go get me that Northshore Goodies peanut butter that I got last year. And she got, it's a peanut butter and coconut, but she got this different one. This one is a macadamia nut honey coconut peanut butter. Can you imagine that? I have to be forced to eat this. So I'm going to try this one. Then I think we'll flip over. You know, I think I got to try the phone thing first because I'm going to get my hands probably all sticky. Let's do this thing. Mike Tries. Here's my smartphone. So here's this thing. Look at this thing. This thing has like that little notch that you put right there where you charge your phone. So let's put it on there and see if it works. Oh my God. The only problem is if you want, okay, turn your phone on first so you can do stuff. All right, so look at this thing. The fan works. Look at that. That thing's great. So, you know, I could bring up the Weather Channel. You can see it's raining right there. Here, let's go to Hanakauai. That's where we should be. There's Napili, Hanakauai. That's where we always stay. And look at this fan. So I guess if you're looking, so here, this is what if you're all, you know, you do my thing. You go, oh, but I need a fan. You can get that thing. The only problem is you gotta hit your hand to pull it back off. That thing is cool. I don't know if I'll ever use it, but it's cool. This is that peanut butter, coconut, macadamia, honey. You know, you spread this on some bread. You can put it on a cracker, or you can just be an animal and take it like this. Let's try it. Oh my God, that's so good. I just figured I have to put the camera higher. This is so awesome. You can taste that. And the honey and coconut give it a sweet taste. I know what else is going to use this since I'm double dipping. And the macadamia gives it a nutty, nutty taste. As the peanuts do. This is really sweet. How many carbs in this thing? I wish I could read. I don't know. This is really good. Let's see if I can make a recipe with this. But check out this brand, Northshore Goodies. You can get it online. Oh, I like these episodes of Mike Tries. Here's the last one is, I'm forced to try these. Now my wife gave this to me as a gift. Let me show you something. I haven't had one of these yet. But let me show you something. Do you see all these empty holes? Those ones fell. There's only 5 left. Only 5 left. She ate the other 11 or something. But let's try one. Macadamia nut. Oh. Crunchy. Chocolatey. I think I have an idea. We're going to take some of this peanut butter. Now I haven't said. Put it right there. I only eat like this once in a while, guys. Well, let's try this one. Hope you enjoy my Mike Tries videos. Hope you enjoy all my videos about anything about life at Live Life 365. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel by the same name and keep living Life 365. And I'm telling you, tell people about Live Life 365. And that's, let's see, until next time, peace.
Live life 365.
Oh. Ah. That's the sweetest babu ever. Oh. Ah. Oh. I make this. Now it's like I'm constipated. Well, no, I'm fine. Oh, that's so good. Want my face a little closer? Baba.